guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're making okra rice. In a pot you're going to add some olive oil or your choice of oil. Go ahead and let that heat up. Add your epis, and then we're going to add a little bit of tomato paste, your okra. You're going to fry that up for a few seconds and add our water and let our water boil. This rice recipe is very tasty. I really hope that you enjoy it like I do. And I'm going to insert some pictures of the items that I purchased so that way it's easier for you all. With this recipe, don't season your rice too much, because remember the Epis has seasoning, and if you go to my other video you'll see the Epis video. After your water has boiled, you're going to add your washed rice, add a little bit of salt, add a little bit of butter, and let your rice come up. Once your rice have come up, at that point go ahead and put your stove on 2, and then 2 or to about low, depending on what kind of stove that you have. Go ahead and put your cover on, or you can use a bag that's washed or foil to place it on top to help it steam correctly. Make sure to add your scotch bonnet pepper. I usually put my clove in it so that way when I'm eating, I don't taste the clove, because you do not want to taste that. And your rice should be done within 20 to 25 minutes, no longer. And your rice should look as so. I went ahead and served it with some fried plantains and some snapper. I'll definitely post this snapper video. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.